Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that on a map 5 cm represents an actual distance of 3 km, and immediately part A require us to find the scale of the map in terms of 1:r. So on the map, five cm represents on the actual ground the actual distance of 3 km. Okay, so the first thing that we need to make sure though is that they have the same unit. So 3 km, you will then see Mr. Tan multiplying by 1000 to get meter, followed by 100 to get cm, and this will give me 300,000 cm. And after which, to get the scale, I will need to know 1 cm is how many cm in the actual ground, which means I will need to divide by 5 on both sides of this particular proportion, and that will give me 60,000 cm. So the map scale that is required is equal to 1:60,000. Part B, find the distance between a school and a park. Is 2.4 cm. What is the actual distance? So for part B, I'm going to rely on, again, I will have my map A and B. Map to actual, 5 cm represented by 3 km. It is important to take note that actually at this point, they want the final answer to be in kilometer, so I will stick to actual distance in kilometer units, and at this point all we have to do is to first divided by 5 on both sides. That will give me 1 cm being represented by 0.6 kilometer, and after which all we have to do to find 2.4, I will just need to multiply by 2.4. And that will give me 1.44 kilometer. Alright, and that is the actual distance between the school and the park. The actual distance between the school and the park is 1.44 kilometer. Part C. Let's take a look at Part C. Part C gives us the distance, the actual distance from an airport to a hotel is 0.9 kilometer. Well, for Part C, this is where I would approach. I will start with the actual here and the map on the other side. And so from here I will have my 3 kilometer. Oh no, I will start with 0.6 kilometer is represented by 1 cm. How does Mr. Tan get this? Mr. Tan get this from the previous working. Okay. After which I would like to do this. I would like to divide by in this case 0.6 because I want to know what is my 1 kilometer. Is represented by how many cm, and in this case I don't really need to do the actual calculation yet, so I just leave it as 1 over 0.6, and from there I could get my 0.9 kilometer easily by multiplying by 0.9, which means I just need to multiply by 0.9 on the other side of this set of working, and that will give me 1.5 cm. And so the distance on the map in this case will be equals to 1.5 cm. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.